Hey there, tech enthusiasts!
Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we dissect the latest gadgets to help you make informed decisions.
Today, we're diving into the NEEWER phone vlog kit, touted as the ultimate companion for mobile content creators. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype.
If you're into vlogging, streaming, or just capturing moments on the go, having the right equipment is crucial.
And that's where the NEEWER phone vlog kit steps in.
This all-in-one package promises to elevate your content creation game with its impressive array of features.
But is it worth your hard-earned cash? Let's break it down.
First up, let's talk about the star of the show, the TP91 Flexible Octopus Tripod.
This thing is a game-changer.
With its soft, bendable legs, you can wrap it around virtually anything for the perfect shot.
Whether you're vlogging on the move or setting up a stationary shoot, this tripod offers unparalleled versatility. Plus, it doubles as a hand grip or selfie stick for those spontaneous moments. But wait, there's more.
The kit also includes two detachable extension arms, complete with cold shoes for mounting accessories like LED lights or microphones.
These arms are a godsend for enhancing your audiovisual quality during live streams, selfies, or vlogs.
Speaking of audio, let's talk about the CM14 Pro Mini microphone.
This little powerhouse features a super cardioid polar pattern for crystal clear sound pickup. Whether you're in a noisy environment or battling the elements outdoors, this mic has got you covered. Plus, it's plug and play, connecting seamlessly to smartphones and cameras via 3.5mm audio cables. Now, let's shed some light on the PL81 bicolor LED video light. Boasting 90 LEDs with a wide color temperature range and dimming capabilities, this light ensures you always look your best on camera. And with its silicone diffuser, you'll achieve that coveted soft, natural glow for flawless footage every time. But wait, there's more.
The kit also comes with a range of accessories to level up your mobile videography game.
From an adjustable phone holder compatible with the latest iPhone and Galaxy models to a universal action camera mount. For your GoPro or Insta360, this kit has everything you need to capture stunning visuals. So, there you have it, folks.
The NEEWER phone vlog kit is more than just a tripod. It's a complete solution for mobile content creators. With its flexible design, professional-grade accessories, and seamless compatibility, this kit ticks all the boxes for aspiring vloggers and seasoned pros alike. If you're serious about taking your videos to the next level, look no further than the NEEWER phone vlog kit. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more in-depth reviews and tech insights. Until next time, happy filming!